York City, the city that never sleeps, a metropolis of lights, skyscrapers, and dreams. From the moment you step off the plane, it's clear that this iconic city isn't just a place, it's an experience. Whether you're wandering through the glittering streets of Times Square, gazing at breathtaking art in the Museum of Modern Art, or simply soaking in the diverse culture that pulses through the city, New York offers something for everyone. But what if you only have 4 days to explore this vibrant, electric city? How can you see the best of what the Big Apple has to offer without feeling rushed? In 2025, New York remains one of the world's most thrilling travel destinations, and with this 4-day itinerary, you'll be able to dive into its pulse and take in all the iconic sights, hidden gems, and unforgettable experiences it has to offer. From the soaring skyscrapers of Midtown to the green expanses of Central Park, here's how you can explore New York in just 4 days. Introduction. New York City is a melting pot where over 8 million people from every corner of the globe come together to create a vibrant tapestry of cultures, ideas, and experiences. As one of the world's most iconic and dynamic cities, it's a place where dreams are made, and visitors are continuously awed by its blend of historic landmarks, cutting-edge architecture, world-class museums, and unmatched energy. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning traveler, there's always something new to discover. In just 4 days, you may not be able to see everything New York has to offer, but you can certainly experience its essence. This guide will take you through the must-see landmarks, the hidden gems, and the unforgettable moments that will make your time in the Big Apple extraordinary. From a skyline view like no other to local experiences that make this city truly unique, let's dive into what a 4-day trip to New York City in 2025 should look like. DUMBO. Exploring Manhattan's heartbeat. Your first day in New York City should be dedicated to exploring the iconic landmarks and vibrant neighborhoods of Manhattan, the beating heart of the city. Start your morning in the Financial District, home to some of the city's most historic and well-known landmarks. Begin at Battery Park, located at the southern tip of Manhattan. Here, you can catch your first glimpse of the Statue of Liberty from a distance. While many visitors choose to take the ferry to Liberty Island to see the statue up close, even just viewing it from the park is a breathtaking experience. Battery Park is also home to the National Museum of the American Indian, a perfect place to gain insight into the city's early history. From Battery Park, walk north along the waterfront to the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. This profoundly moving space honors the lives lost in the September 11th attacks, and the twin reflecting pools set within the footprints of the original Twin Towers are a stark and poignant reminder of the city's resilience. Inside the museum, visitors can explore exhibitions that document the events of 9/11 and their aftermath, as well as artifacts that tell the story of the tragic day and its impact on the world. Next, head towards the Financial District and marvel at the imposing presence of Wall Street and the New York Stock Exchange. As you stroll through this district, you'll feel the weight of the financial power and historical significance that has shaped the city and the country. For lunch, make your way to nearby Chinatown, where you can indulge in some of the best Asian cuisine in the city. Whether you're craving dumplings, dim sum, or Peking duck, Chinatown offers a vast selection of restaurants where you can enjoy a delicious and authentic meal. After lunch, take a moment to explore the area's vibrant streets, filled with markets, street vendors, and the unique charm that comes with this historic neighborhood. In the afternoon, make your way to SoHo, a fashionable district known for its cobblestone streets, trendy boutiques, and upscale galleries. Stroll through the neighborhood, popping into art galleries and designer shops, and take in the artistic spirit that permeates the area. From SoHo, head towards Greenwich Village, a charming and eclectic neighborhood known for its bohemian vibe. Grab a coffee at one of the many hip cafes or stop by Washington Square Park to watch street performers and take in the relaxed, creative atmosphere of the area. As evening sets in, make your way to Times Square, one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. The neon lights, massive digital billboards, and bustling crowds make Times Square an experience unlike any other. Whether you're taking in the spectacle or shopping at flagship stores, This iconic location is perfect for a night out in New York. Finish your evening with a Broadway show. New York's Theater District is home to some of the world's most famous theaters, where you can catch anything from classic plays to dazzling musicals. Be sure to book your tickets in advance for the best seats. Day 2. Museums, Central Park, and the Upper West City. In Day 2, dive deeper into the cultural heart of New York, starting with a visit to Central Park, an urban oasis amidst the concrete jungle. Start early to enjoy the park before it gets too crowded. You can rent a bike or simply take a leisurely walk through its winding paths, past serene ponds and beautiful bridges. Make sure to stop at Bethesda Terrace and Fountain, one of the park's most famous landmarks, offering picturesque views and a perfect spot for photos. You may also want to visit the Central Park Zoo or take a boat ride on the lake, both of which provide unique ways to experience the park. After your time in Central Park, head to the Upper East Side to explore some of the world's finest museums. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, known as the Met, is a must-see. With over 2 million works of art spanning 5,000 years of history, the Met's vast collection of paintings, sculptures, and artifacts is an unparalleled treasure trove of culture. Whether you're a fan of classical art, ancient civilizations, or modern masterpieces, there's something for everyone here. If you're a lover of modern art, be sure to visit the nearby Guggenheim Museum, housed in the iconic Frank Lloyd Wright designed building. The museum's unique architecture and its cutting-edge collection of 20th century and contemporary art make it a standout for lunch. Head to the Upper West Side, where you'll find a variety of restaurants, cafes, and eateries. Whether you're looking for a casual bite or a gourmet meal, this neighborhood offers plenty of options. After lunch, take a stroll through the tree-lined streets, or visit the American Museum of Natural History, one of the largest and most celebrated museums of its kind in the world. From dinosaur, fossils to space exhibits, this museum offers a fun and educational experience for visitors of all ages. In the evening, explore the vibrant dining scene in the West Village. The neighborhood is known for its cozy restaurants, chic cafes, and quirky bars, making it the perfect place to enjoy a delicious dinner. Whether you're in the mood for Italian, French, or American comfort food, you'll find something to suit your tastes. 3. Brooklyn. Trendy neighborhoods, iconic views, and culture. On Day 3, it's time to explore Brooklyn, a borough that's rapidly become a cultural hub known for its art scene, diverse neighborhoods, and incredible views of Manhattan. Start your day in Williamsburg, a neighborhood known for its creative energy, street art, and trendy cafes. Stroll down Bedford Avenue, which is lined with boutique shops, record stores, and local galleries, before heading to Smorgasburg, a popular outdoor food market seasonal where you can sample some of the best local eats. Next, take a walk across the Brooklyn Bridge, one of the most iconic structures in the world. The bridge offers stunning views of the Manhattan skyline and the East River, making it a perfect spot for photos. Once on the Brooklyn side, head to Brooklyn Heights, a charming neighborhood with beautiful brownstone houses and scenic views of Lower Manhattan. In the afternoon, visit DUMBO down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass, an area known for its artistic vibe and fantastic views of the Manhattan Bridge. DUMBO is home to galleries, coffee shops, and restaurants with some of the best views of the skyline. Be sure to stop at Pebble Beach for a photo with the iconic bridge framing the view of the Manhattan skyline. End your day with a visit to Brooklyn's famed Prospect Park, designed by the same architects who created Central Park. The park offers a relaxing space to unwind, and you can enjoy everything from the Brooklyn Botanic Garden to the historic Prospect Park Zoo. If you're in the mood for a more lively evening, head to the Brooklyn Academy of Music Band, which hosts everything from theater performances to live music and film screenings. At 4. Shopping, dining, and hidden gems. On your final day in New York, it's time to indulge in some shopping, dining, and exploration of hidden gems that the city has to offer. Start your morning in SoHo, where you can browse through high-end boutiques, local shops, and art galleries. Whether you're looking for designer fashion, unique home decor, or one-of-a-kind pieces, SoHo is the perfect place to find something special. Afterward, head to the iconic Fifth Avenue for some more shopping and sightseeing. From flagship stores to luxury brands, Fifth Avenue is a shopping mecca. Stop by St. Patrick's Cathedral, a stunning example of neo-Gothic architecture, and take a moment to appreciate its beauty. For lunch, head to the East Village, where you'll find a thriving food scene. From ramen shops to vintage diners, this neighborhood offers a wide variety of culinary delights. Don't miss the chance to try classic New York pizza, as the East Village is home to some of the best pizzerias in the city. And the afternoon, explore one of New York's hidden gems, the High Line. This elevated park, built on a former railway line, offers a unique perspective of the city as you stroll through gardens, art installations, and stunning views of the Hudson River. It's a perfect way to end your trip, with a peaceful yet invigorating walk through one of the city's most innovative green spaces. As your final evening in New York approaches, head to the Empire State Building's observation deck. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to sparkle, you'll be treated to a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire city. This is the perfect way to say goodbye to the Big Apple, with the city skyline spread out before you in all its glory. Conclusion. New York City is a place like no other. With its iconic landmarks, vibrant neighborhoods, and eclectic culture, the city offers an experience that is constantly evolving and always unforgettable. In just 4 days, you've explored the pulse of Manhattan, strolled through Brooklyn's artistic streets, experienced world-class museums, and enjoyed some of the best food and shopping the city has to offer. Whether it's the bright lights of Times Square, the serenity of Central Park, or the thrill of standing atop the Empire State Building, New York offers memories that will last a lifetime. Your journey through this incredible city may have been short, but the experiences you've had will stay with you forever, reminding you of the magic that only New York City can provide.